Hello there. No, welcome back. Today we're talking about what to do if the Kingdom of Denmark waved its little red and white flag and said, no visa for you. A Denmark Schengen visa refusal can feel brutal. You book your tickets, dream of Copenhagen canals, and boom, you get a rejection letter, or worse, just a refusal stamp in your passport with no cozy explanation. But good news, you can appeal, and you've got 15 days to do it. Now, this isn't the kind of thing you want to procrastinate on. Denmark counts calendar days, weekends, holidays, all of it. So if your refusal lands on a Friday, well, happy weekend, it's countdown time. So how do you appeal? You write a letter, a formal one, ideally in Danish, or at least very professionally in English. You address it to the embassy or consulate that gave you the no. Now, don't just say, please reconsider, I really want to see the Little Mermaid. That won't cut it. Instead, you need to explain why their reasoning was incorrect, what new evidence you have that your plans are genuine and temporary. Let's talk common refusal reasons. Missing documents. Financial support isn't convincing. They think you're staying forever. Insurance doesn't cover Denmark. Yes, they check. They got suspicious about your documents. One client once submitted a hotel reservation for a place that had burned down 2 years earlier. Oops. Now the question everyone asks, should I appeal or just reapply? Answer, it depends. If you were missing some paperwork, sure, reapply. But if they questioned your credibility, or you've already been denied more than once, you might want to appeal instead of giving them another easy no. And if they stamped your passport with that refusal sticker, that's going to raise red flags in your next application. Better to fix it now than carry it around like a visa scar. So what's the risk of doing this alone? Well, you might miss the deadline. You might not answer the refusal properly. You could sound defensive or emotional instead of legally persuasive. And no, ChatGPT can't argue with Danish consular officials for you. Not yet. This is where a lawyer can actually help. We translate embassy speak. We build a strong evidence-based case. We tell you when to appeal versus when to run the other direction and reapply. We've handled over 1,600 cases. And yes, that includes a guy who tried to enter Denmark with $18 and a sandwich. Spoiler, he got rejected. Here's the bottom line. Visa appeals are not magic, but they're also not hopeless. If Denmark refused your visa, don't assume it's game over. Let's look at your file, figure out what went wrong, and decide how to respond in a way that actually gives you a shot at success. Check the link under this video. You can request a case review, book a consultation, or get help drafting a powerful appeal letter. Don't let one no become a forever nej. Let's turn it into a ja. Hey, if this video helped, hit like, subscribe, and share it with a friend. We all know someone dreaming of Denmark, or someone who keeps getting Schengen rejections like it's a hobby. See you next time, and good luck with your appeal.